This video reviews ORIX's first quarter financial results for fiscal year 2026, covering the period from April to June 2025. ORIX Corporation is a Japanese financial group involved in leasing, banking, real estate, insurance, asset management, and private equity, and even owns the ORIX Buffaloes baseball team. Executive summary. Net income for first quarter was 107.3 billion yen, an increase of 20.6 billion yen year-on-year, reaching 28.2% of the full-year guidance with an annualized ROE of 10.4%. In the second quarter, ORIX agreed to sell part of its stake in Greenko, a major renewable energy company in India, and in ORIX Asset Management and Loan Services, its Japanese loan servicing subsidiary. It also invested in AM Green, an Indian clean energy developer, and Hilco Global, a U.S. asset valuation and restructuring firm. As a result, ORIX is currently reviewing its full-year net income forecast of 380 billion yen. Pre-tax profit was 155.5 billion yen, up 35.3 billion yen year-on-year, with growth achieved across finance operation and investments, and capital gains were recorded, mainly from real estate sales. For shareholder returns, ORIX completed 40.9 billion yen of its 100 billion yen share buyback program as of the end of July 2025, and it forecasts an interim dividend per share equivalent to 39% of first-half net income. The progress rate against the annual net profit target is 28.2%, which represents a good start for the first quarter. Net income and ROE. ORIX achieved net income of 107.3 billion yen, the highest ever for a first quarter, representing a 24% increase from the previous year. ROE improved to 10.4%, up from 8.8%. Net income has been steadily growing over recent years, and ORIX is making steady progress toward its full-year target of 380 billion yen. Base profit and investment gains. First quarter segment profits reached 164.9 billion yen, which was a 20% increase year-on-year. Of this total, base profits made up 122.2 billion yen, rising steadily from growth in recurring businesses such as finance, operations, and insurance. One-time investment gains contributed 42.7 billion yen, sharply higher than the prior year, mainly from real estate sales and gains in the environment and energy segment. This mix highlights stable profit growth from the company's core businesses, along with a strong boost from capital recycling activities. Segment profits. Consolidated segment profits for the first quarter rose 20% year-on-year to 164.9 billion yen, driven by strong results in multiple areas. Real estate profits increased significantly on higher hotel earnings and a large property sale. Environment and energy turned sharply higher with gains from a Japanese waste firm, Zeeklight sale, and stronger Elawan electricity revenues. The PE investment and concession segment grew year-on-year on strong domestic investees and higher airport traffic, though profits dipped quarter-on-quarter with seasonality. On the other hand, ORIX USA posted much lower profits in the absence of one-off reversals. Overall, the broad increase across segments lifted total profits strongly compared with the prior year. Shareholder returns. ORIX has completed 40.9 billion yen of its 100.0 billion yen share buyback program as of the end of July 2025, representing 41% of the total planned amount. For fiscal year 2026, the dividend per share is forecast to be equivalent to 39% of net income. Full-year dividend forecast is 132 yen, 11.99 yen increase from previous year. Stock price. This is the Japanese yen base chart for the last 1 year. The Japanese yen stock price is 3,826 yen as of August 22nd, and the US dollar stock price is $25.44 as of August 24th. The stock temporarily fell due to the Trump tariff shock but has been rising steadily since then. Current PBR is 1.04 and PER is 11.3. Dividend yield is 3.14%. Compared to the past few years, indicators such as PBR, PER, and dividend yield suggest that the current stock price is high, mainly because of the recent price increase. Conclusion. ORIX started fiscal year 2026 strongly, achieving record first quarter net income. ORIX is actively managing its portfolio through selective sales and new investments, while progressing steadily on shareholder returns with ongoing share buybacks and a forecasted dividend increase. Overall, ORIX is on track toward its full-year net income target.